The American Health Journal presents a medical minute on hacking cough with Dr. Eric Presser.
Everyone coughs, but if it lingers, you should be concerned. Most of the time, these chronic coughs are caused by acid reflux, allergies, postnasal drip, or even medications like ACE inhibitors. And if you smoke or vape, it's time to quit. A lingering cough and coughing up blood are signs you shouldn't ignore. Be proactive. Insist on an X-ray or a CAT scan of your chest if you're an active smoker to screen for lung cancer. For more information, click here or call 760-424-8224. I'm Dr. Eric Presser. The bottom line is, if you have a cough, don't ignore it.